Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail account name, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Gmail account open up here, right? So to change your name or your Gmail account name, just come to the top here in this top right corner at your picture right here, click on that, and then I want you to click on manage your Google account. You can click on there, or if you can't find that, just click on this Google apps and then click on account, right? Once you click on there, that should be opening up. Perfect. Now you have this open up, right? So to change your name, you can just come to personal information right here. Come to personal info, and then these are all the personal info. So now this is the picture and then this is the name, right? So you want to change the name, just click on here, the name, and then this is the name that you are trying to change. So now you can click on this pen to edit it, right? So now it will ask you to log in or to verify, so just send, because it will send a verification to your number. So once you get the code, just open it and then enter that code. So the code on it's just a one-time code, so we don't need to worry about 0818, right? So once you get that code, please enter it in and then next. That's just to verify that it's you, right? So now once you verify, it should open up. Now you can be able to edit it. Let's just say Kandowa and then Kandowa Tech, let's say that, right? So once you put the name that you want to use, you can just click on save, and then as you can see, you have changed the name right there, right? So now once you go back to your home page, go back to the home account, see, you got the name right there, right? So now welcome Kandowa Tech. Perfect, you change the name. So yeah, that's how you can change your Gmail account name. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.